In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, my dear student, third intermediate students. Today we are with the last lesson in Unit 8. Unit 8, Lesson 4, the Saudi Review. The first part in this lesson, vocabulary, read and match. We have 8 words: check, degree, irrigate, lens, mathematics, puzzle, serb, sign. I want you to write the numbers on each picture. What is the first picture? The second B, the third C, D, E, F, G, H. Write the name of each picture. Number A, number 1, check D, check D. Number 2, F, 2F, degree, degree. Number 3, A, 3A, irrigate. 4, B, lens. 5, G, 5G, mathematics. 6, puzzle, puzzle. 7, soap. 8, and the last one is soil, number 8. The next part in Saudi Review, the last lesson in Unit 8, Lesson 4, writing. Be writing. Write sentence to say what everyone has been doing. We travel 10 days. Tariq drive last summer. I write this email 20 minutes. Nadia shop eBay 2 years. He ran in competitions 2009. People manufacture soap the 12th century. Salim and Hassan swam half an hour. 8 doctors give vaccinations 1724. These are words. I want you to use the words to make complete sentences. The first one, we've been traveling for 10 days. Look that we use the present perfect progressive, have been or has been plus verb plus ing. We've been traveling 14 days. 2, Tariq's been driving since last summer. 3, I've been writing this email for 20 minutes. Number 4, Nadia's been shopping on eBay for 2 years. Number 5, he's been running in competitions since 2009. Number 6, people have been manufacturing soap since the 12th century. Salim and Hassan have been swimming for half an hour. Number 8, and the last one, doctors have been given vaccinations since 1724. The next section, reading. Read this letter from Jamal Ibrahim to Faisal Abdullah. Take the correct answer. Read the letter. Dear Faisal, last month I bought a new zoom lens from your eBay shop. It was paid for by check, and the money was taken from my bank on the 29th April. However, the lens hasn't arrived. I have now been waiting for more than 3 weeks. My dad's cross because he told me not to buy it from you. Please send the lens immediately or return the money. The order number is AX770M5FTD7. Jamal. This is the letter. Now take the correct answer. This letter is to a friend or a company. Number 2. This letter should be formal, informal. Paragraph 1 is about a problem ولا Jamal's father. Paragraph 2 is about an order or a solution. Choose the best answer. The letter is to a company. Number 2. This letter should be informal. Should be formal, I'm sorry. Number 3. Paragraph 1 is about a problem. Number 4. Paragraph 2 is about a solution. Section D. Writing. Find and correct 3 mistakes. Move one sentence to the correct paragraph. Think about the purpose of the letter. Remove one piece of unnecessary information. Think about who the letter is to. Change it to make it more suitable. Move. The order number is AX770M5FTD7 to paragraph 1. This information is part of the problem, not the solution. Remove. My dad's cross because he told me not to buy it from you. This is personal. The company doesn't need to know this. Change Dear Faisal to Dear Mr. Abdullah. Change Jamal to Mr. Ibrahim. Faisal and Jamal are only students. 4. Informal letters to friends. To friends or family. Use titles with formal letters. Use titles with formal letters. Now we will go to the grammar study. We use ask and tell with a second verb to report positive requests or instructions. We use ask and tell not and a second verb to report negative requests or instructions. We don't use speech marks when we are reporting. Bring it tomorrow. Please don't forget. What did she say? The first is a positive request. Bring it tomorrow. The second is a negative request. The first, she told me to bring it tomorrow. This is reporting the request. And the second, she asked me not to forget. This is the reporting of the negative requests. And the lesson is about reporting requests in the affirmative and in the negative. Speaking. Number E. Work in pairs. Make sentences. Don't play football in the grass. Mrs. Amira asks, please don't make a lot of noise. Mom, my brother. Buy some sweets, please. My little sister, me. Study hard for the exam. Our teacher, us. Don't sit out until 7 o'clock. Ali Farouk. Make sentences. Mrs. Amira told us not to play football on the grass. This first one. 2. My mom told my brother not to make a lot of noise. Number 3. My little sister told me to buy some sweets. Number 4. Our teacher told us to study hard for the exam. Number 5. Ali told Farouk not to set out until 7 o'clock. These are the answers as I told you. Writing. Write a letter to a friend in your notebook. Write 2 paragraphs or more. Use different paragraphs for different information. Think about how to start your letter, formal or informal. Apologize for not doing what your friend has asked you to do. Say what it was. Explain it's because of your computer. Use the letter in exercise C. Only use the important information your friend will want to know. This is the end of our lesson today, Unit 8, Lesson 4, the Saudi Review, Unit 8, Progress, Present and Plans. This was the last lesson in our unit. Thank you. Best wishes with you, Mr. Khalid Eid.